So cute. He's having a bath. Give him some privacy. And they don't like me. Nobody wants to land on my hand.
Even though they sleep at night, we still have someone that actually...
Anybody? You want some?
Oh, just don't touch him. Yeah, he does not like me. That's why I'm like, none of them bring me like...
None of them like me. Oh, he's enjoying the little spray. That lady just put this like hose thing on, plugged it all in. And that little guy up there is loving it.
He's getting a little shower.
He's so cute. Oh, Jez, look at the fluffy chicken. Jez.
That's what I see you as. That's literally what you look like.
I wish I did.
You would like some food fluffy chicken? You like some more food fluffy chicken? What about some more food fluffy chicken? You would like some more food?
Looks so soft. Bye, fluffy chicken. Let's go to another section of the aviary. I don't think we've ever come to this section, have we? I don't remember coming through doors like this.
We only did the first section.
So we'll go through this little... Wow, there's a lot of vines.
Wow, look at them yellow ones at the top there.
See them? About... here.
With these guys, there's 56. Well, yeah, but there's 56 successful birds in here. Whenever I come to Discovery Cove as a guest, I would do like 5 pounds every year.
My hand looks a bit broken.
Oh, they're sharing.
Not having everything we wanted for like 5 days.
You really like sitting on my shoulder, don't you?
Right? People ask like if we have annual passes. What's on more? And I'm like, okay, annual passes, never buy groceries.
Alright, Mary Poppins.
Suck it up for dinner. Like more?
You are so cute.
Yeah, of course.
This is my spirit bird.
Would you like one?
Such a little fluff. That's my spirit animal.
He's nocturnal and carnivore, so he's not going to eat any of the vegetables and he's asleep.
Sounds just like me. I love how you can swim through the aviary. It's just amazing. There's people just chilling out. And then this side you have to like come through this little waterfall to come through, which I just think is so nice. Obviously if you look up there's like a net so none of the tropical birds can fly away.
Okay, so we've been to the aviary, which is awesome.
It was really nice.
It was really nice. Did you see the fluffy chicken? Did you show them that?
Yeah, I feel extremely fun. And I got pooped on.
We both got pooped on. It's the problem with the aviary. The birds are above your head, landing on you. They're very friendly though, so it's okay. I don't mind friendly poop. So yeah, we're now walking back to the locker because we've got a photo to go pick up, so we need to get some money out. And obviously on the vlogging camera, and we don't want to put this one in the water because I don't think it'll do as well as the GoPro.
No, we'll be switching back over to the GoPro to show you some more stuff.
Yep, so stuff and things, yeah. See you in a minute. Hey guys, so yeah, we're back at the lockers. We're just going to put you in and we're going to pick the photo up I think first, aren't we? Yeah, and then I'm going to go swim in the water, so the next thing you see will probably be some fish. Okay, so that's us finished at Discovery Cove for another time, another year, unfortunately. We are I've just got changed back into my Mighty Ducks top. I just thought while Charlotte's getting changed, I'd show you a little bit of the where we've been, because you don't tend to get to see it through the GoPro very well. I'll show you just here. So this is the actual pool. It's freezing. It's absolutely freezing in there. It's amazing though. Like, you can't actually see any of the fish at the minute. They're obviously being fed around the other side or something perhaps. But there's a stingray over there, and then loads of fish down here. There's tons and tons of fish in there, big schools of them. There's a stingray just, see if I can zoom in there. You can't really see him very well through the camera. Oh, actually yes you can. That one just there, that's a stingray. It looks a bit like an arrow because he's covered in sand and it looks like a rock. Here comes a fish, like, right up close to the edge. See him? He's gonna beach himself. Yeah, it's amazing. Here comes a stingray real close as well. Look. He's so amazing. Look at him. Absolutely beautiful.
I'm all clean now.
Yeah, I know.
They're frozen here.
Do they have actually got them here? Yeah, they have. Grab one. So this is the sort of kind of places you come when you're here. Get some drinks, some pina colada things, some pretzels. Good pretzel. So yeah, as I said, we're going out. We'll probably sort of detour into the shop because we're suckers for a good gift shop. And then from there, I imagine I'm going to go back to the hotel because people need to get changed apparently. Then we're going for dinner at the Cheesecake Factory, which is at the Mala Millennia. So I'll probably see you in the gift shop, guys. Guys, we're in the gift shop. Fuel rod. Anyone that's wondering, there's one at Discovery Cove. So we're in the shop and Charlotte's gone straight to the cups. She is a sucker for a cup.
My favourite cup was the one next to Christie's.
Grand Fiesta Tour.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that one.
Which one was it then?
The one in Universal, the beach one.
These ones are cool with the big fish on them, on the bottom. So they're $25. It's a pretty large cup, so it's a pretty good price to be honest. I don't like these hats. I see them wearing them all the time, but I don't see the point in them. I don't understand.
Like me when I used to my big buns. The bun would still go in there and I'd wear that.
How much is it?
$22.
$22, not so bad. Nice artwork though, very beautiful. That one's really nice. With the stingrays on it. So yeah, we actually did buy one of the pictures that we got of the dolphins. So the picture of Charlotte, I, and her mum and sister. But we also got one of just Charlotte and I on like a metal picture. It's cool. I'll show you when I've got it in my hands at some point. But it's a really cool picture, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is the classic shirt that you get in Discovery Cove. I swam with the dolphins. I had one of these when I was a little kid. So these are $21.99. It's not so bad. I believe it comes in a jumper. Yeah. Oh no, this isn't the jumper. This is the spirit jersey. Swim, swam, swam. Super cute. There's more spirit jerseys over here as well, actually. So I'll show you their spirit jerseys. There's one over here. Just here. So Disney obviously do their spirit jerseys. And everyone's jumping on the bandwagon. I haven't seen any at Universal. Yeah, so it's got like Discovery Cove in Orlando, Discovery Cove written on the front, and then on the back it just says Discovery Cove Orlando. So that's pretty cool. I mean, they've got to do their own version of it, I guess. And it's not too bad. It's $49.99. Slightly less than Disney Spirit jerseys, but still pretty pricey. I really do like it, and I was actually thinking about getting one, but I'd rather have an extra Disney one than the Discovery Cove one, so sorry SeaWorld, you ain't getting my money today. What a backdrop.
Cute, right?
Oh, very cute. Anyway, so this is us finished at Discovery Cove for this trip. And yes, we will be coming again on our next trip. Weather hasn't been great today, but you know what?
Did you tell them that we got kicked out of the pool?
No, we got kicked out of the pool.
We got kicked out of the pool for like an hour and a half. Everything had just shut, so we all just laid on the beach and actually all fell asleep, which was quite nice. But yeah, because the weather's been in and about, we weren't allowed to spend too much time in the water, obviously, but we still got to do everything, so it's good.
But yeah, it's been a good day here, so goodbye Discovery Cove.
We're going into 7-Eleven to get a slushie,
Mom should have put no.
Oh, so Coca-Cola slushie, Captain Crunch, blue raspberry, lemonade, wild cherry, mandarin.
Oh yeah, lids are here. I went for the Captain Crunch berries flavour. That thing is delicious. It's absolutely amazing. But yeah, everything's $1 at the minute because I got like a deal on. But guys, look at this. Look at the size of that double gulp. It's ginormous. It's like the biggest cup in the entire world. I can't even get it back in. There, it's in. Damn. And then you've got the big gulp. So I haven't had a Code Reds yet since I've been here, so I'm gonna have to get one 100%. Oh yeah. Oh, their sweets are so good. I'm not sure what to get. Typical Charlotte. It's because she tries to do things about Jez.
Hi guys. So the last time you saw me, I was in 7-Eleven and I dropped my slushie everywhere. Basically the lid wasn't like put on properly, so I tried to clip the lid down and then the cup just like fell over, all over the counter, all over the floor. And I'm not saying like the guy behind the counter should have helped me, but he literally was just like, just stared me out. So I then just got loads of tissues and just like mopped everything up. Went everywhere and I lost about half of my slushie, but it's fine. That was massive, as you saw. And we have left Discovery Cove, left 7-Eleven, we'll quickly pop back to the room. Just so we could get changed and stuff. We're now heading to the mall at Millennia, and hopefully we'll be able to get a table in the Cheesecake Factory tonight, which I'm excited about, and go to a few shops in the mall as well, hopefully. Jez is already in the car, ready to go. So yeah, let's get some cheesecake. Okay guys, we are now in the mall at Millennia. Not gonna lie, we have come here for the Cheesecake Factory, and also the other thing we've come here for is Bath & Body Works, my favourite shop ever. Let's go. Oh my god, the full scents are out. Yes. Green, I'm so excited.
Maple pancakes.
We smell. Oh my god. I am in heaven. Right, I'm gonna look around now, so I'm gonna put you away. Just come in here, and I'm not too sure what I want. But okay, the first few pages are drinks, but literally look how much stuff there is. And this is all just like mains. How am I gonna decide? What even? That is actually ridiculous. This is going to be a hard decision. Okay, after much decision, I think I'm going to go for this one. And Jez is going to go for... Are you going for the same thing you told me?
Yes.
And Jez is going to go for...
The brown one's chocolate.
Jez is going to go for this one. Literally, the menu is so huge, I can't wait. Okay, so food's arrived. My like chicken parmesan pizza style with like noodle of spaghetti. I don't know, it looks amazing. And then Jez got a cheese stuffed
So like the burger's actually got, look, got like
what's
cheese.
that on the top? Onions?
The
like
burger's actually got cheese inside it, look.
Oh yeah.
That's National Burger Day.
It is National Burger Day. Happy Burger Day. Okay, so we've just left the Cheesecake Factory.
You haven't seen our cheesecake yet?
Yeah, we didn't actually eat the Cheesecake Factory we didn't eat the Cheesecake Factory. We didn't eat the cheesecake inside the Cheesecake Factory because we were super full.
In our defence, we hadn't planned to actually eat at Cheesecake Factory because we went to Discovery Cove today.
Yeah,
so
we were just going to get appetizers, but we all ended up getting like full-on meals. So we got the cheesecake to take home, so we're going to eat that in the room afterwards, which we'll show you when we get back. But look where we've headed to. Super Target. So we are just going in. It's just going to be a quick one because we've got cheesecakes in the car. But we just wanted to do a quick look just to see if they've got any Halloween stuff out. Yes. And to get some water. So I will let you know if we see anything real cool.
Okay, so we are back at the room, and last you'd have seen us, we were in Target. We did buy a few bits which you would have seen in the haul, so I can tell you what it is, it doesn't matter. We bought like the Powerline shirt and stuff like that, which is awesome. If you haven't seen our haul, it's a video on everything that we bought on this trip, so go check that out, pretty awesome. But yeah, we are gonna hit the hay, get some sleep because I'm shattered, and tomorrow we are at Animal Kingdom, which I'm super excited for because I'm going to be experiencing Pandora for the very first time. So yes, thanks again for coming with us on another adventure. Today's adventure has been a little bit less of an adventure just because, you know, we didn't really get to film too much. You'd have seen some of the stuff we've done at Discovery Cove and obviously lunch and dinner and whatnot. But yeah, so... Sorry, I was washing up. It's a good night from us.
Night, guys. Been a long day. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Why did this here for the celebration?
Wow.